Hey guys, this is going to be another one of our bearing trees that we planted. I'm thinking it's probably about 15 feet tall, and you can see we got lots of, are you on it? New growth on it right now. On the ends of the leaves. This is an allspice tree. So a lot of people think allspice is multiple spices put together. Three, one of them is nutmeg, and I can't remember the other two. But allspice is actually its own spice. And these trees get really, really big. The berries, they can grow two ways. They can grow in the kind of single, like that. And they can grow, if you look around over up here to the right, there's some clusters, and they almost look like a little grape cluster. Look at this one here. There's a good one here. So we're gonna pick these. Basically, you can harvest two ways. You can actually pick them when they're green and dry them and then grind them, or you can pick them. I've been waiting till they're ripe because they get bigger, and it just seems to me like, I don't know, it seems like they might have a little bit more flavor when they're ripe. Also with these, the leaves are just as good as the berries. They're a male and a female tree. So you either have a tree that's a female or male. So one tree, I've heard a couple people talking around here, why does yours have berries and mine don't? We have a male tree. So, but it doesn't take a male tree for these to produce. They will produce without the male. Don't ask me how or why, I don't know how that works, but this is what it is. And this will grow into a full hardwood. These trees will get about 30 feet tall. It'll be about a 10-inch round tree at some point. And don't ask me how we'll harvest it at that point. But the tree is native to the Antilles, southern Mexico, and Central America. So, but that's what this is. So we're just going to go ahead and pick them, and they really stay on the tree pretty hard until the end. And there they are right there. Some of them are the size of a small black grape, and we'll probably get about a quart maybe off of this tree right now, which we've picked twice now. We probably end up with about 2 quarts off this small tree, which is a lot. So pretty happy with that. As far as watering and fertilize, this tree likes quite a bit of water. I think normally it grows in a higher elevation than we have here, but if we pay close attention to fertilizing, and we have it blocked by the sea quite a bit, so it's doing okay. A lot of people around here do grow them. There's a couple other names for them. Some of them call them a pimento, or a Jamaican pimento. And there's also another variety. And some people think they're all the same, but they're not. It's actually a variety spawned off to make this tree grow better here. But this is actually the native to the Antilles, southern Mexico, and Central America. This is the allspice tree. And when we find another tree that's producing, we'll just go ahead and send it to you guys. And we have a lot of them. So I just thought it'd be kind of cool to send you guys what we have and how we're growing here, and you can get a good look at everything we have. Alright, that's all. Alright guys, here we go. This is what we got. Close to a quart, maybe not quite. Probably about 1.5 pints. Something I don't know if I said before, but what we'll do then is we'll put these in the dehydrator and dry them until they're hard as little rocks, and then we put ours in the coffee grinder and just grind them right up and ready to go. That's all that's to it. And we have been making tea out of the leaves of these. The tea is awesome, and you've been putting it in sweet potatoes and stuff like that, and it's just fresh. It's amazing. And I wish you guys could smell this right now. I'm going to smell like this for the rest of the night for sure. But the other thing I wanted to say, and we do this with all of our plants, is we've been trying to stay organic. The trees aren't organic. They're whatever we got from the nursery, but we fertilize all organic, and we spray with neem oil, which is completely organic and safe. So, anything out here we can take a taste of or a sniff of, and we don't got to worry about it killing anything or anybody. So like I said in our video before, I guess we're the extension of Red Wagons Farms for you, Corey, so the southern version. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get these dried, and then maybe later I'll make another, or show you a quick little video these things dried or ground up or something like that, or maybe not. We'll see what happens, but you get the idea. So, all right, that's it. Thanks, guys.